Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. I will show you how to wrap a wine bottle using Furoshiki, and I am going to use this rubber band in the process. Spread the Furoshiki wrong side up, right side down on a flat surface, and place the bottle in the middle. First, take the corner from behind, cover the bottle. Take the corner from front, cover the bottle. And this is where I'm going to use a rubber band to put it in place. Now we have these two corners from the side. We're going to take this and cross behind and pull. Bring it to the front and make a square knot. And let's do a little housekeeping. Just tucking any flabby part and fix the overall look. Once you do that, you can take your rubber band off, and that's how you wrap a wine bottle. There's more than one way to wrap a bottle. This time I'm going to use this Furoshiki with a beautiful plum blossom pattern. And I really want to showcase this pattern. So I am going to lay it down, wrong side up, right side down. Put the bottle in the middle like this. Take the corner from behind and cover the bottle. And I'm going to roll. Roll. And once you get closer to the corner, you can fold it back a little bit and just roll to the end. And I'm going to stand it up. Take the top part and we're going to twist it. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Twist it like a rope. And take the corner from the bottom, bring the top corner down, and make a knot. And of course, you have to do a little housekeeping to make it look nicer. You know, if there's a flabby part, you can tuck it in, adjust the overall look. But that's how you can wrap a bottle and showcase a beautiful Furoshiki pattern. I will show you another way of wrapping a bottle. Place the Furoshiki wrong side up, right side down, but not diagonally. This is fine. Place the bottle in the middle and take the corner from behind and casually just tie on top. And you don't have to worry too much about this knot. We can adjust it later. Now take the corners from front. We're going to bring it back, cross and pull. Cross and pull, bring it back to the front. And make a square knot. So the first knot that we made, we can just keep it this way to carry around like this, or we can untie it, twist it into a rope, and tie the top like this. And you can also make it prettier like this. There you go. I will show you another way of wrapping a bottle, not